Oh man!
Ooh.
Boom, Barry! That is crazy. That is the craziest cut of all time.
Man, if we had heart rate monitors on right now,
Oh,
mine would
man.
have just hit the roof.
You ready to go?
Man, hell yeah, my heart is beating hard.
When it comes to roughing, MRR is everything. It is your material removal rate. How many cubic inches of material are you taking off per minute? And with that in mind, we're gonna take the craziest cuts. We're gonna go 1,000 inches per minute. We're gonna start off low and we're gonna keep dropping down in Z, increasing our MRR. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, fire in the hole.
And it's over right there.
That was only
Like,
60% spindle.
So that was 75 thousandths and it was 2.7 radial,
Yep,
right?
yep.
So the Z was 75 thousandths, but now we're gonna drop to 100 thousandths in Z.
Man, I think it's gonna do it, but we're at 25 thou per tooth. It's pretty brutal. You still wanna go in dry?
Yeah, man. Let's go.
That's sick, man.
Let's go. That's crazy. I just look away and I look back and it's done. So now we're at 2.7 radially, and then the axial depth of cut, the Z, is at 125, so 0.125, eighth of an inch.
Getting buck wild.
You ready, Barry?
I'm ready. Eighth of an inch coming right up.
That was insane! Oh man! And we're gonna go deeper now.
Oh no.
Do not go anywhere, we're going deeper.
This dude's crazy.
Boom, you're crazy. Ooh. 98% spindle load. That's an eighth of an inch in Z, 2.7 radial, no coolant, and it's a beautiful thing.
Man.
So let's go to 150.
Let's do it.
Oh man. If you hear these inserts come apart, like, stop that
Yeah.
tool. You gotta be quick on that button, man.
All right,
Yeah.
here we go.
That is awesome! Woo! Slipping, slipping, slipping. What's up? So good, so good. That should be like boxing training right there, like, and you're just like bang, 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 come inside. Oh man. It's like bead blasting that glass right there. Where was it right now?
I was watching. I gotta watch this now. I want to look at those inserts real quick.
How's it look?
They're still good, man.
No problems. So that was 150 thousandths depth of cut on these inserts. And one of the things that I just want to explain is there is no coolant. So of course, if there's coolant, the pressure is going to come down and we're going to have no issues, but we're running it dry in aluminum for you guys out there so you can see this amazing cut. 1,000 inches per minute, 150 thousandths depth of cut.
Dry.
Now, so you were at 500, so let's go 675, and that would be 175 thousandths axial.
I think it's gonna do it.
Oh, Mr. Let's throw coolant on at 25 thousandths deep, you know what I mean? It's all good.
Hater.
Barry's just smart. I like to test the boundaries. 175 thousandths axial, and we're 25 thousandths per tooth for our inches per tooth, and that is, Kennametal, was that what?
9 thou max, so we're triple their max.
Triple the max speed rate called out by Kennametal, showing what these inserts can do.
Fire in the hole.
Boom! What's up, bro? Oh man! Oh man!
Man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to
Let's
stop
go!
it.
Wait, Barry, no, let's go one more. Let's go one more. Not 500, let's go 540. Let's go 540.
This guy is insane.
Dude, let's go 540 MRR. Oh man! Without coolant. Like, let's do this. Machining should not be this much fun, but it is the greatest trade in the history of the world. Pow. It's funny, like people criticize us for running fast, but it's like, can you just run mediocre speed? You know, like let's just bring down the culture in the shop.
Yeah, what's it gonna do to our spindle?
Oh man, oh man. We're not dogging anybody out there, but we just want to open your minds like Morpheus from the Matrix. We want to pull back the curtains and open your minds to what is possible so you guys can push the limits and make some money in this trade. There is nothing like being blasted by chips right in front of your face right there, like
Boom,
So
machining
good.
red pill.
We're gonna turn on the coolant, but no, let's not turn on the coolant. We need to take our MRR over 500. Have you ever gone that fast?
No.
I've never gone that fast. 500 cubic inches per minute of material removal. It's insane. So not only is it gonna be 500, we're gonna go to 540. 540 because we need even numbers. So we're going from 175 on our Z down to 200,000. So we're 2.7 radial, 200 thousandths deep axial, and that'll put our MRR at 540 cubic inches per minute of material. Oh, damn.
If this works, it's gonna be
dang.
insane.
Boom! Pushing the Barmia to the limits. Let's go! So I'm gonna ask you one time, would you like my hand on that red button, or are you good?
Oh no, I want your hand on the button.
Are you sure?
Oh, no, I'm sure. Yeah, he's saying it's gonna be like boom, 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 but it's really gonna be like brrr, done.
Finger on the button. Finger on the button, Barry.
I'm on the button.
We gotta see how fast this thing can stop. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Go. This is truly insane.
I'm scared.
Oh man! Boom, Barry! That is crazy. That is the craziest cut of all time.
Man, if we had heart rate monitors on right now,
Oh,
mine would
man.
have just hit the roof.
That is crazy. An MRR of 540. That is absolutely insane. This is on an Barmia. It's got crazy horsepower. A lot of people look at this machine and they think about big parts, but you can actually take a lot of small parts and fixture them and make use of that spindle and power to drop your run times on pretty much anything. And anybody out there that's using this Kennametal shell mill, the 5720, if you guys are running at 100 inches a minute or 200 inches a minute, look at your load, look at your machine, and understand that this tool can go all the way up. It's got so many gears and levels to it, so don't be scared, because when you actually push the limits, then you're making money, then the culture goes up, and it's so much fun.
Man, and the inserts still look great.
Just so you guys know, you used to actually watch our videos and think that it was fake.
Yeah,
Like-
I thought it was all camera tricks and camera magic. Nah, it's real, and it's real scary.
So good. Third generation machinist right here. Thank you so much for coming down to Texas.
Man, thanks so much for having me.
Becoming part of our amazing team. You ever seen a better team?
Nah, I've never seen a better team.
Crazy, right?
Man, we can literally do anything here.
Anything, and we're taking all of it, putting it into education, making it exciting for all, and giving it for free to everyone.
Awesome, man.
Changing the industry, bringing awareness, making it happen.
That's some vision right there.
I see a lot of people asking us about the education. All you have to do is go to academy.titansofcnc.com, go to instructions, read about it, and you can learn CAD, CAM, CNC. Now we're coming out with grinding, additive, all of it. We give all education for free. And if you love this tool, the 5720, you can buy it on our store at an incredible price. And by you purchasing on our store, you help us fund free education, awareness, all of it. Barry Setzer in the house. Super good, man.
And the
Thank
man
you so
himself.
much. I just want to say before we go, if you guys love the videos we put out, the education that we put out, if you love everything that we're throwing down, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, put the comments down below. Give us your ideas and you might see it in a future video, all right? Love you, brother.
Love you, too, bro.
Love this trade. Boom, we're out. This is truly insane.
I'm scared.